Were you going to beach on chair?
I
Huh?
said I've been on about 2 of them today.
You've been on 2 of them? Are you hot, puppy?
I've had a wonderful day. In the sense that I just thought, I'm going to leave this stuff in the sink and nobody will fuss at me. Nobody.
Pisha! Pisha! You're goofy. You are. You're goofy. There he goes. Get off of that. Stop. Get off. Get off the chair. Go on. Get off the chair. Get up. Get off the chair. Justice, get off the chair. Hi. Your tongue's hanging out the side of your nose. Oh, God. All right, go on out. Go on. Yes, I know. Thank you, Ranger. All right, go on. Everybody go out.